In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Trading 212. To do this, first gonna open up Trading 212, and what you want to find is the deposit button. You can see it here in main pod, it says deposit. What you can also do is click on the three lines in the bottom right, where you will also find deposit. As you can see here, at the bottom it says deposit funds. So gonna click on deposit, and now here it's set for me to a MasterCard. You want to click on the drop down for the payment methods and then first select the currency you are depositing. For example, if you're doing British pounds, just set it to British pounds and then select bank transfer. Now if you're doing euro, which is what I'm doing, I'll set it to euro and also select bank transfer. Now here you can add your bank account by entering your IBAN if you have an IBAN. If you have an account number, click account number. And then you will need to add your account number as well as your SWIFT code. So basically just enter your bank details and then click on confirm. Now from there what it will do is give you bank transfer details in order to link it to your bank. So right here we have a payment reference, so make sure you don't forget to add this, but then they also give you a bank name, bank address, beneficiary name, beneficiary address, IBAN, BIC and currency. So everything you need to make a transfer in your bank. So just go into your bank account and set up a transfer to these details right here, and as the reference add the code that you have at the top right here. Now again select the currency that you are using. For me it is still euro, so I'll just select euro. But after you then make a transfer to those details, Trading 212 recognizes it's for your account and will add it to your balance. So that's how you can transfer money from your bank account to Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.